Hi guys, so today we'll be talking about the .length method in JavaScript and the different ways it can be used. It can be used to check string length. It can be used to check array length. It can be used to check if a string is empty, if an array is empty, and if an object is empty. So quickly, let's start with the first example. We have a string called Manchester United, the team that always loses. Yes, Gunners for life. And then we assigned the string length to a variable called str. And now that we are applying the method of length, str.length, to get the number of characters in that string Manchester United. And we're assigning it to the length variable in line 3. Now when you console log the length variable and we run our code, we get the string Manchester United contains 17 characters. Right? So the length there is 17, and take note, the length includes the space between R and U, the Manchester and the United. So let's check the array length. This is an array, not a string. As you can see, it's in square brackets. The same thing, array.length, we assign to a variable called number of elements. It's important to note that for strings, there are characters, and for array, there are elements. The individual numbers in an array is called an element. Right, we've assigned it to a variable. The next thing to do is to print it out. And when we run this code, what do we get? The second line, the number of elements in this array is 5. As you can see in line 7, there are 5. Well, how were we able to count it? We use the .length method. So the .length method can be used to find string length, array length. Now we're going to see how we can use it to check if a string is empty. Now we create an empty string and we assign it to the variable called empty string. And then we bring the if statement, which says if the length of the variable empty string is 0, console.log the string is empty. So in line 13, you can see we use the .length to check if the string is empty. And then we say if it is empty, console.log the string is empty. But if it is not, console.log this string is not empty. So if we run that code, of course, as you can see, the string is empty. But if we put something there and run the code again, the string is not empty, as you can see. Alright, let's go to check if an array is empty. So we're assigning an empty array to the variable empty array. We're checking if empty array.length, that means the length of the variable empty array is 0. If it is 0, array is empty. If it is not, array is not empty. Just like what we did in the previous code. If we go down there to run this code now, as you can see, the array is empty. If we put 5 there and run it again, the array is not empty. As you can see here, the array is not empty, the array is empty. Alright, let's go to the last example for today to check if an object has properties. So Ctrl Z has an object with key value pairs. That name is key, Alice is value, age is key, the 30 is the value of the key of age, city is key, and New York is the value of the city key. Alright, we assign, this is important, Object.keys refers to the keys, which is name, age, and city. So we are saying, because when you read code, you read it from right to left. This code is saying find the length of the keys of the object called my object. And when you find that length using this method, assign that value to this new variable called number of properties. And the next thing you do after that, you console log it here by formatting the string and saying the number of properties in this object is blah blah blah. So let's come down here. The number of properties in this object is 3, as you can see. This is 1, this is 2, this is 2, and this is 3. One key and one value collectively makes one property. Key value, one property, and key value, the third property, which is why it is 3. See you in the next lesson.